In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear workflow that allows you to seamlessly integrate these two powerful communication channels, helping you engage with your audience more effectively. Let's dive in. First, let's start on the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, locate the Automations tab. This is where you'll create workflows that allow you to automate your marketing processes. Go ahead and click on Automations. Next, you'll want to select Build from Scratch. This option gives you full control over how your automated emails and SMS messages are set up. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be prompted to name your workflow. Take a moment to think of a name that reflects the purpose of this automation. For example, if it's for new subscribers, you might call it Welcome Series. Once you've decided on a name, type it in now. It's time to choose your audience. This step is critical because it determines who will receive your emails and SMS messages. Pick the audience group that aligns with your goal for this workflow. Whether it's your entire mailing list or a specific segment, make sure you've selected the right one before moving forward. Once you've chosen your audience, the next step is to set your trigger. Triggers are what activate your workflow. In this case, click on Choose a Trigger and then select Signs Up for Email. This means that whenever someone subscribes to your email list, this automation will be triggered. After selecting the trigger, make sure to click on Save Trigger to lock in your choice. Now we'll add the first action in the workflow, sending an email. To do this, simply drag the Send Email option into the workflow editor. This creates the step where your email will be sent automatically to new subscribers. Once that's in place, click on Close to save your changes. Next, we'll add the SMS component. Just like before, drag the Send SMS option into the workflow, right after the email step. This ensures that your audience will receive an SMS following the email. It's a great way to reinforce your message or provide additional details. Finally, once you've added both the email and SMS steps to your workflow, click Continue to save everything. And that's it. You now have a working automation that combines email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp, ready to engage your audience. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.